Hey, I'm your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn. Now let's start. First you take a paper, chart paper, and then you fold like this. One fold, half, then second half. Okay, and then you do this fold like this. Understand? See, 4 fold like this, and then one more like this. Okay, now you do, I'm to doing roughly, but it is first time, so you do with the pencil. Take a pencil and do like this. Randomly I am doing like this, and then you fold this part. You do here also, you do some drops like this. Okay, see how I am doing it. And now you cut it with the scissor. Slowly you do. See, like this it is come. Okay. See, more design I did here, curves, and cut it this also. See, I cut. See, all the borders. Now I will open. See, I am opening this paper. Like this. See, and if back side you do Fevicol. See, I put Fevicol on full edges and full design back side. And now I will stick on this dark color paper, and I stick on this hole from the border. Stick first, stick from the border. See, then after you do like this. See, your design is ready now. See, this I made one. This is I made front of you, and this is the third one, and this fourth one is I done. I stick on a card. See, it is a greeting card. See, like this. I stick on this card. You can stick this design on front of your paper bag, gift wrapping, jewelry box. It is look very beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I need your support. Please hit the like button also. And I have also Instagram page. My Instagram ID is Rehana Merchant 7 and Rehana Art Classes. You can see more my artwork on this channel. Please, I need support.